This hadith is narrated by Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha. Once Habiba bint Jahesh, the wife of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, came to serve the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and expressed that she consistently experienced bleeding, possibly referring to continuous menstrual bleeding. In response, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised her that this continuous bleeding was akin to a vein, such as it wasn't a typical menstrual cycle. He recommended that during the days of her continuous bleeding, she should refrain from performing prayers but should still maintain her ritual ablution wudu. After the bleeding stopped, she should perform a full bath ghusl and then pray regularly. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23426.